on the case involving former police constable Noel Maitland. Or reporter in court says defense attorney Christopher Townsend makes submissions to the court for his client, Noel Maitland. He asked the court to consider the 4 classical principles of sentencing: retribution, deterrence, prevention, and rehabilitation. He noted that the normal range for this offense is between 15 years to life imprisonment. And the quote from the defense attorney is, your lordship can say what is open to him is a sentence of life imprisonment with eligibility for parole not less than 15 years. A determinant sentence is also available to your lordship. A determinate sentence is a fixed specific term of imprisonment. Look at the circumstances of the case, he says, and make the determination of the case as to which course of action would apply. He adds that life imprisonment is for the more egregious cases. Well, some would say this case is quite egregious. Yeah, the family of the deceased, still no body, still no for the burial to take place. Can't get closure. And perhaps that is something that the judge might consider. Well, or that's if he's allowed to consider it, right? So, but we'll hear from the judge, and as soon as we hear from the judge, we'll keep you posted. So the latest is that the defense attorney, Christopher Townsend, making his submission to the court on behalf of his client, Noel Maitland.